Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Crunchyroll completely silent, playing video with no audio at all, or sound cutting in and out? Here's the fix. First, check the physical mute switch on the side of your phone and make sure it isn't flipped to silent. Then use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned off. Next, go to your settings and then go to Bluetooth and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not supposed to turn on or actually using, since your audio can silently get routed there instead of your Bluetooth phone speaker. Tap I next to any connected device and tap disconnect if needed. Force close Crunchyroll from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh, since the stuck audio session often clears on a relaunch. If audio is still missing, check that you have not accidentally selected a dub audio track with no available voice track for that episode. And go to settings, then go to focus, and then go through each and every focus mode you use. Do not disturb and make sure that they are not silencing the app sound. So all you've got to do is check your mute switch and volume, disconnect straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen, sound is back on, and that's it. Subscribe.